Welcome to the 2026 edition of the Top 10 Best New Brothers Fireworks. This list includes some of the most unique fireworks you'll ever see. So many innovations happen every single year in the fireworks market, and Brothers is bringing some incredible new products for the 250th anniversary of America. So let's get straight into the list, and at number 10 is the Sonic Boom Strobe Rockets. And although strobe rockets made in some random guy's garage are always super impressive, having a legal, consumer-friendly version is very much welcomed, and these are really nice rockets that come in packs of 2. Number 9 is One Man Band, a fountain aerial hybrid, which is one of my favorite types of fireworks. This firework is very long lasting with about a 1 minute and 40-second duration. It's definitely a solid but pretty basic fountain at first, but just wait for the ending, because the aerial mine effects at the end are awesome with a super unique scattering spark effect. Next up is Going Going Gone, a 28-shot, 500-gram cake featuring big breaks, color-changing effects, and big delayed crackle. The red, white, and blue color-changing mines are spectacular. This is an excellent cake. And now back to another fountain aerial hybrid. This is Whale of a Tale. Even if this one didn't have the aerial finale, I would still highly recommend it just for the fountain effects, featuring really nice gold willows, angled nitrocellulose, and loud angled crackle. But the chef's kiss is the finale. Blink and you'll miss it as it fires 2 angled, crackling mines way up in the air. Definitely one I'm on the lookout for. Now at number 6 is Messing Around, a 29-shot, 500-gram cake. Now, I'll be honest, at first there's nothing really special about this one, but trust me, wait for the finale because it's one of the most unique and creative effects I've ever seen on the consumer fireworks market. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second here, as it shoots a ton of shots at once, which creates a giant circle of sparks in the sky that slowly fall like a waterfall. It's seriously so awesome, so just take a look. Before we get into the top 5, I would like to tell you guys about our awesome sponsor, Red Apple Fireworks. If you're looking to purchase fireworks for the 4th of July, New Year's Eve, or any other occasion you could think of, Red Apple Fireworks has tons of awesome products at great prices, and they're available online for pickup or delivery year-round. And using the link in the description or code PolarBearPyro at checkout, you'll save 10% off your entire purchase. If you're a big fan of Brothers Fireworks, Red Apple carries some classics, including the Big Box of Bombs, Mob Madness, Bling Bling, Saturday Night Special, and more. Once again, link in the description, code PolarBearPyro for 10% off your entire purchase. And now, back to the video. Starting off the top 5 with the Love at First Light fountain. I absolutely love the effects here, super nice red glitter, and yet again, another firework with one of the most unique finales I've ever seen. I'm pretty much certain you've never seen the finale on this one before. It emits a bunch of flames out of the front of the fountain, creating a heart shape. I don't even know how they accomplished this effect, but it is super awesome, so just wait and see for yourself. Number 4 is Sunbelt Sizzle, a 30-shot, 500-gram cake. If you're a fan of big breaks, crackle, and lots of howling tails, this is the cake for you. In my opinion, with this combination of effects, you just can't go wrong. And now time for our top 3, starting with Viral Vortex, a 42-shot, fan-angled cake with gorgeous effects. Lots of red, white, and blue, beautiful willows, and most likely lots of oohs and ahs when you light this one off. Absolute must-have. Coming in at number 2 is Show and Shine, a 36-shot, 500-gram cake that is absolute chaos with triple layered effects. You've got crackling mines, big breaks with glitter, and howling tails up to crackle. There's so much visually happening all at once, and I love it. And for the number 1 pick, what better way to celebrate America's 250th anniversary than with Hoist the Colors, a 147-shot compound cake. Amazing falling leaves and flying fish at the beginning and a long duration. This is a rapid-fire, red, white, and blue sky filler. I really can't imagine a much better 4th of July finale than this. This is absolutely incredible. Let me know in the comments which firework on this list is your personal favorite, and check out the fireworks testing playlist on the screen to see me light tons of awesome fireworks in person. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more top 10 lists in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.